Hello everyone, I am Rakshit Pai and in today's social media question series, I'll answer the following question. How much savings is enough to retire and settle in a metropolitan city in India? Look, this is a broader concept. No one can say what your savings or retirement savings needs are unless we know your lifestyle, your expenses and such. But on a general note, if you are worth over 1.5 lakh US dollars or a little over 1 crore Indian rupees, then you are well off. That is, you will be among the top 1% of Indians in terms of wealth. Well, does this mean being a crorepati in its entirety is sufficient? No. We have had a real estate boom in the past, and since most Indians' net worth is locked up in their property, the properties that are considerable in size will be worth close to 1 crore rupees. This is especially the case in case if your property is in metropolitan city, but that's not a liquid asset. You are staying at that property, so it serves no other purpose other than housing you. So when I say 1 crore rupees is sufficient, I mean that it is that part of your wealth which can be converted into cash or cash equivalents within 3 months or so, and other assets that are already available for disposal. These are those assets which are freely available, and yes, 1 crore in savings is more than sufficient for current time period. On average, our inflation rate ranges from 4 to 6%. So if your savings which you are investing elsewhere isn't earning more than 6% in return, then you are not making any progress in case of wealth building. And there is one asset which can help you. It's the only asset class that has done considerably well over the years, which is equity. Yes, there is always a risk involved, but over a long term investment period, if you invest in a well established mutual fund or index funds, you are better off than 90% of other stock market investors. So in this way, you can achieve close to double digit return in equity market if you invest in a broader market. And over a period of time, say next 15 to 20 years, if you do SIP in a disciplined and mature manner, you will certainly be able to retire. This is easier to say than done, hence 90% or 99% of those watching this video may not do so, or even if they do, they will discontinue with SIP in 3 years at max. There is no such thing as easy to achieve wealth. It will take time. Save as much as possible, invest in India, invest for long term and be responsible with your money. So I hope that answers your question. Thank you for watching.